Hello, welcome. Question number 5, WASSCE 2025 Nigeria edition. The data represent the scores obtained by 9 applicants in an interview, which is arranged in ascending order. So these are the scores. Given that the range of the scores is 9, we have to find the value of the x, the mean mark, and also find the pass mark of these numbers. Now, starting with the first one, range. To find a range of a set of data is equals to the highest number, let's say highest value, in this case score, right? Minus what? The lowest score. So if the range is 9, and we are saying that these numbers are arranged in ascending order, meaning the smallest one is this and the highest is this. Therefore, the highest number, x squared minus 7 minus the lowest number, which is 3x plus what? 2. Now, if you remove the 3x plus 2 from the bracket before writing it, the negative sign affects only the first term, and your answer is going to be wrong. So you maintain it in the bracket as a single term, then now you can expand. So if we expand, we have 9 equals to x squared minus 7, negative times positive 3x, negative times positive negative 2. Let's now send this to the other side. So we have x squared minus 3x. This is going to be minus 9 in the case of this, minus 9 equals to 0. This 9 is this, minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9. 0 because as this move away, nothing is left at the left, so we move it to the right. So we have x squared 3x 18 equals to 0. So now we need factors of negative 18. When we add those factors, we still get a negative 3. So I'm sure you're thinking of 6 and 3 as a product 18. One of them will be negative. Since we are going to have a negative addition, the biggest number take the negative sign. So minus 6, positive what? 3. So this is just going to be minus 6, positive 3. I always go through the shortcut when I get to this place, that I'm not be giving the quadratic to solve as a question, but it's involved in a different question I'm solving. I am only interested in the answer. So all other steps can be absorbed into this form. So this means that x minus 6 is 0, or x plus 3 is what? 0. So let's see, our x becomes 6 or x become what? Negative 3. So these are the two values the x can assume. But let's check and see if that is true. Now these numbers are arranged in order. Okay, so let's begin with negative and see, because I wanted to discard that. If negative 3 is here, I still have negative 9 plus this, negative 7. Right? This is going to be negative 9, negative 7. And this is going to be positive, no problem. The negative sign here, make it negative 12 minus this, negative 14. We can't have negative, we come to positive and negative before positive. We are moving in order, so the negative will be ignored. If 6 goes here, I'll get positive, 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 because 24 minus this, 22, in that order. So I can only say question A, I is asking for the value. So therefore, the value of x is going to be 6. If the value of x is 6, then we can say that, so the scores will now become replacing the x in each of the number. So here is going to be 18 plus 2. That will give me 20. I already have 22. This is going to be 24 minus 2, 22. I have 23 already there. 25 follow. Put 6 here. 30 minus 4, 26. I have 29. This is going to be 6 squared, 36 minus this. That will also give you 29. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are going to be the numbers that we are going to be dealing with. So now let's look at the second part, which is asking for the mean mark. So from here, how do we find mean? Remember, if we are asked to find the mean of any data which is in this small form like this, we know is the sigma x divided by n, where x is standing in for the values we have. Sigma means addition of all of them. So our mean is now going to be 20 plus 22, 23, 25. I think 22 is 2. 25, 26. There we have 29, 29, 29. All this will now be divided by the number of items, which there are 9 applicants. So when we add all of this, we have 225 divided by what? 9, and that will give you 25. So we can say that the mean mark is going to be 25. All right, that's the average of the scores obtained by the 9 applicants. Then if we are looking for the B part, so if 4 of the applicants who obtained the highest score were selected, determine the pass mark. So it means that when we arrange this in order, the top 4, you can see that the top 4 scores become, the top 4 is the last 4. Okay, these people are all below those people. So we have 26, 29, 29, and what? 29. I think 29, 29, but they are looking for 4 people. So in order to find the pass mark, these are the people who were selected. So they are all selected, but the pass mark, what was the mark that give them all the chance to be selected? That is going to be 26. Those who have 25, or the person who had 25, did not qualify because he did not catch the pass mark. This person catch the pass mark, overpass. So these people are going to fall in that direction. So therefore, we can say that the pass mark is going to be 26 as the score for the pass mark. So you can see the pass mark is 26, the mean is 25, and I think the value of x is what? 6. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.